Did you know that 43% of tax returns audited by the IRS in 2026 had at least one major error that could have cost taxpayers thousands? According to the IRS Audit Statistics 2026, the most common mistakes aren't obvious, they're buried in the details. For example, 28% of audited returns failed to claim eligible deductions, and 19% miscalculated income from side gigs. The worst part? These errors are often fixable, and fixing them could put hundreds or even thousands back in your pocket. On the Money Decoded, we break down taxes so they actually make sense, and today's topic could save you money if you're like most Americans who file their own returns. Let's start with the first and most common mistake, missing itemized deductions. The IRS found that 28% of audited returns didn't claim all eligible deductions, and this isn't just about the obvious ones like mortgage interest or charitable donations. For example, if you work from home, you might be eligible for the home office deduction, which can save you up to $1,500 per year. But here's the catch, most people don't claim it because they don't know how. The second error? Misapplying tax credits. The IRS audit data shows that 19% of returns had incorrect use of credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, or the Child Tax Credit. For instance, if you have 2 children under 17, you might qualify for $2,000 per child, but if you don't meet the income thresholds or fail to report dependent information, you'll miss out. And this isn't just a numbers game, the IRS found that 35% of people who qualify for the EITC don't claim it. The third and most surprising error? Miscalculating income from side gigs. The IRS found that 14% of audited returns failed to report income from freelance work, rental properties, or gig economy jobs. This is a big deal because the IRS now uses third-party data from platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and DoorDash to cross-check your returns. If you earned $5,000 from a side hustle but didn't report it, you're not just losing out on deductions, you're risking an audit. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's dive into the first fix, claiming itemized deductions. If you're single and your total itemized deductions, like mortgage interest, property taxes, and charitable donations, exceed the standard deduction of $14,600 in 2025, you should itemize. But here's a trick most people don't know, you can also deduct work-related expenses. For example, if you're a freelancer, you can deduct home office costs, internet, and even a portion of your phone bill. The IRS audit data shows that people who itemize save an average of $3,200 per year, but only if they know how. Let's break it down. If you work from home, you can deduct a percentage of your rent or mortgage based on the square footage of your home office. If your home office is 150 square feet and your home is 1,500 square feet, you can deduct 10% of your mortgage interest, property taxes, and utilities. That's not just a number, it's real money. Next, let's talk about tax credits. The IRS found that 62% of people who qualify for the EITC don't claim it, and that's a huge mistake. The EITC is a refundable credit, meaning you can get money back even if you owe nothing. For example, if you're a single parent earning $40,000, you could get up to $6,700 in EITC. But to qualify, you need to report all dependents and meet income thresholds. And finally, side gig income. If you earn money from freelance work or rental properties, you need to report it even if you didn't receive a 1099. The IRS now uses data from platforms like Upwork and Airbnb, so if you earned $1,000 from a gig, they'll know. But here's the good news, you can deduct expenses like travel, supplies, and even a portion of your home office. But how do you actually fix these errors? If you're thinking, I might have missed something, hit subscribe, we're breaking down how to fix these errors every week. Let's say you missed a deduction or miscalculated income. Here's how to fix it, file an amended return using Form 1040X. The IRS audit data shows that 70% of taxpayers who file amended returns recover at least $1,000 in overpaid taxes, and it's easier than you think. Step 1, gather your documents. You'll need your original return, any missing receipts, and proof of income or deductions. For example, if you missed a home office deduction, you'll need a photo of your workspace and a calculation of the square footage. Step 2, complete Form 1040X. This is the amended return form. You'll need to correct the line items that were wrong. For example, if you forgot to report $5,000 in freelance income, you'll add that to line 1 of the form and adjust your taxes accordingly. Step 3, submit it by the deadline. The IRS recommends filing amended returns within 3 years of the original due date. If you missed a deduction on your 2023 return, you have until April 2026 to file. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, what if I get audited? Here's the thing, the IRS audit data shows that 92% of amended returns are accepted without issue. And if you do get audited, you're not alone. The IRS has free tools like the Taxpayer Advocate Service to help you navigate the process. But here's the biggest takeaway, don't wait. The IRS found that 80% of taxpayers who file amended returns do so within 6 months of realizing their mistake. If you're like most people, you're probably missing at least one deduction, and fixing it now could put hundreds back in your pocket. You could be overpaying taxes right now, but fixing it is easier than you think. If you're ready to reclaim what's yours, hit subscribe and we'll show you exactly how. And if you want to know how to maximize your tax credits next week, stay tuned.